followers as you're now saying, well, a gancho can happen anytime. How does that change what I do? In some ways, the answer is it doesn't. You have the same useful principles. But it's helpful for you to know, first, when is a gancho possible? And the short answer is you have 3 steps in tango, right? You have forward, side, and back. Forward step, there's no gancho. Side step, you might get a gancho. Back step, you might get a gancho. So every time that you step, let's say side, right here, you're going side, you might say, oh, there might be a gancho here. And then every time you step back, you say, oh, there might be a gancho there. That's thought number 1. And then when you're holding your leader's body, you can usually feel them shift their body. You can sense that their leg is going out, that they're turning their hip to make room. And so if your leader is going to lead you in some weird gancho, pay attention, how do their bodies change? And then that will give you lots of forewarning. Don't ask, are they leading me into a gancho? Let's pretend you're practicing it. Ask instead, is there forewarning that I can pay attention to next time? Just what do I notice about their bodies? They're about to lead me to gancho. That's number 1. Number 2, if a leader is standing here, at this angle, actually let's be here. At this angle, there's not a lot of space. But if you turn the leader this way, there's more space, right, between the legs. And what you do is you turn your hips to say, where can I turn my hips so that my leg can find that space? And that's true in this back step. But it's also true in the side step, that the gancho here, his knee would be right here, and you want to go to the side of his knee. And so there's 2 gestures if you're doing a gancho on a side step, and we'll talk about this more. But the idea is you just want to look for the space wherever it is. If my leader is over there and I'm going to do a gancho, I'm going to turn my hips so I can find that space. If my leader is over here and I'm going to do a gancho, I'll turn my hips and find the space over there. There's a leg right here, I'll say, oh, I can move my knee over and find the space. So that's one useful thing when these ganchos come in unexpected places. How can I turn my hips so it's easy for our knees to lock? Final point is that if you get too far away, it's really hard. Right? So if my leader's here and I try to gancho and his leg's right here, and I'm over here, I'll never reach. So part of this is staying really close to your partner as you go around so that when it comes time to gancho or wrap or whatever it is, you don't have to reach for it. Stay close. That means you have to pivot a lot sometimes, especially on that back step.